2019 Run to the Sun, March 21st, 22nd, and 23rd in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So what is this? It's 3,000 cars, all coming in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's one of the biggest car shows on the East Coast. And the reason I'm talking to you about this is if you haven't been here before, you really have got to check it out. It's pretty amazing. So it takes place across the street from the convention center in Myrtle Beach. Parking is tight. You want to park over at Broadway at the beach and then shuttle over. Or you can get some limited parking around the place, but this parking lot that I'm out right now, I'm going to show you in a minute, is packed. 3,000 cars, vendors, parts, suppliers, and the weather is usually very beautiful in March. So if you haven't done this before, definitely put it on your list and you want to check it out. So this car lot right there, this lot right here, excuse me, is empty today. But if you can imagine what's going on, I'm going to put another video here and attach it so you can see kind of what's going on with the car show from last year. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Jerry with Pinkas Real Estate Experts. Every day we're putting out new videos to make sure you avoid the pitfalls that are costly here in Myrtle Beach. Hope you're having a great day. Go ahead and click subscribe or like if you like this, or share it with somebody you know who could use it. Talk to you soon.